So I'm first going to use my Revlon pore reducing primer on my face to hide all my large pores. My skin is honestly super dry this summer, so this definitely does not help hide the flakiness of my skin. Like, I definitely moisturized before this, but I don't know, I've been dealing with really dry skin recently, so I've been trying to opt for more dewy foundations. So I'm going to use my new Innisfree Aquafit cushion. This is my first time using it, so I will do a review on it later. Then, instead of using a regular concealer to highlight, I'm going to use my new ColourPop foundation. It's not my skin color, so I just wanted to use it for something instead of just letting it collect dust in my makeup collection. After that, I'm going to bake my face with my NK Cosmetics setting powder. And then we're going to go straight into the eye makeup. So first I'm going to use my Etude Eye Drawing Eye Pencil. I literally use this for my eyebrows for I've been using it for a year now, and the product still is not even close to being finished. And then I'm going to take my LA Girl concealer to cover up my rogue hairs and keep my eyebrows fleeky. So I'm mostly going to be using the Saharan palette today. Actually, not even mostly. Everything I'm using is the Saharan palette. I'm also pretty sure I primed my eyes before this, but I don't know where the video went. So I'm first going to mix Staccato and Jamila together and put that on my creases to warm it up. Then I'm going to take Kia and put that on the inner corners, outer corners, and creases of my eyes. So kind of like, a light kind of oval motion. And then we're really going to blend that together. Next, I'm going to take the LA Girl concealer again and cut out my cut crease. I'm so bad at this, honestly. I always get a little messy somehow, but I don't think it matters. So once the concealer is dry a little bit, just like tacky, not super dry, but tacky, I'm going to use Wudabi and pat that all over my lids. Then I'm going to go back in with Staccato and blend on the outer corners of my lid. So I added this blue lipstick as a kind of line to kind of show the cut crease, but it honestly just ended up smudging everywhere. So instead, I just blended it in together. Then I lined my lids with the NYX liquid liner, then put on my lashes. After that, I blended out my setting powder, and then I used a red lipstick as my blush. I couldn't find my actual highlighters anywhere, so I used Wudabi as a highlighter. Next, I use this really cute face tattoo. I got this from AliExpress for very cheap, probably like $1. And I love how very easy it is to put on, and it stays on for a very long time. So I will have a link hopefully in the bottom bar if I can still find it. And then finally, I'm going to use this lipstick from Ola Neon. I think the color is Selfie. I might be wrong, but that's what I think it is. So if I'm wrong, I'll put that also in the link of the actual name. But yeah. And then we're done. I hope you guys liked this video. It was really cute. I enjoyed this look. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.
Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Get it, get it, get it.